Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here two different nitro compounds are given. One is pyridine, another is pyrrole. You have to draw the orientation of dipole moment inside the molecule. The answer is simple. You should know the fact. The dipole moment by conversion, you have to start from positive to negative. So the pyridine it's easy because we are drawing positive to negative. The lone pair considers negative charge because it's electron rich center. So lone pair also don't participate. So what really happened? You have to draw from ring to nitrogen. But in pyrrole it's different because lone pair participate in the ring aromaticity. So the positive charge on nitrogen, negative charge in the ring. So if you find the order, you will have the direction against the pyridine. Here the concept you have to learn here is the dipole moment start from positive to negative. For in the heterocyclic system, you should know whether the lone pair involved in the delocalization or not. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.